One of the most frequently asked questions on search engines about freelancers is how much do freelancers make? And that's broken down into how much do freelance writers make, designers, videographers, marketers, etc., etc. And I always find it fascinating because I think that when it comes to freelancing, the two things you have in your control are how much you can bill, so how much you're willing to charge for your services, and how good you are and how well you can market that. Now, that's what the market will pay for your services. So how much freelancers make comes down to two things: is how good are you? How much credibility do you have? How much experience, expertise, social proof, referrals? How busy are you? If you have a backlog of work, of course, you can bill more because you know that you're confident that there's a waiting list of prospects and clients to work with. And the second and often overlooked thing is how much you are willing to bill for your services. I can tell you from experience, you're almost certainly undercharging and underpricing yourself as you are now. Now I know I don't know you, and you can challenge me and comment in the thing below, or message me on social media, etc. We can discuss this because I think it's a really interesting topic. Because for years I underpriced myself, even as a early stage new freelancer, because I did have the skills and experience to be able to deliver good value to my clients. So the first thing is, before we get into pricing, is of course you have to be, and I've talked about this in previous videos, you have to have good experience, credibility, build up a backlog of projects and case studies, get testimonials, ask for referrals. That's often overlooked, that point. And then you build up this confidence and this, as I say, a backlog of client work that you can refer to, and also hopefully a regular inbound inquiry process where you're getting referrals coming to you, or however you're marketing your freelance services, that you're getting inquiries. That will be then the bedrock for you to be confident to say, okay, look at my rates, how do they compare in the market? What would, I always think it's interesting to think, what would the client have to pay elsewhere? So if they were to hire somebody in-house, or they were to hire an agency, or even other freelancers, what's the market rate? And then you can look at where you sit within that. And as I say, almost certainly you are underpricing yourself. So to go back, there's lots of content here, and we'll publish further videos in the future about pricing your services, etc. But to get to the key question that people ask is, how much do freelancers make? It's in your control. If you're good and if you bill correctly, then you can make as much money as you can deliver in the time available